I am back in Ventnor, New Jersey for a tour of 107 South Cambridge Avenue. This is another amazing beach block new construction home, and this one is stunning with incredible attention to detail throughout. 7 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, a pool, and many high-end luxury features to see. Stay tuned for the tour. We help people achieve the highest quality of life through buying and selling real estate. If you're looking to buy a home or sell a home in New Jersey, Delaware, or Pennsylvania, my team and I would be honored to help. You can contact us at info@promptagents.com. Alright, so we're going to start off the tour here at 107 South Cambridge, and we're actually on the 3rd level, which is where our living area is. And I love the layout here. We have this huge bay window here at the front of the house, and there's a deck that wraps around here with incredible ocean views right here from this level. We have, this will be your living area right here, you have the dining area here, the steps going up here, and then check out this kitchen. I mean, this is amazing. Look at the size of this island here. Beautiful quartz countertops. We have the under counter microwave that pops out right here. High-end appliances, Wolf stove, Sub-Zero refrigerator, all stainless. And look at even the backsplash. And a lot of attention to detail was put into this house. If you're looking for a beach house, this is amazing. So again, at that main living area level, this is the 3rd level of the house. We have an elevator here, which is great, goes to all 4 floors, half bathroom, pantry, and then as you come back here, we have 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. So now we are up on the top floor of the house, the 4th floor, and this is really where the owner's suite is. It's a beautiful space. A lot of areas where you could have the bed here, maybe a little sitting area. You have a walk-in closet with organizers, a full bathroom here, dual vanities, and a luxurious shower as well. All right, so at the 4th floor, top floor, on the back of the house, we have another room here, which is a really great space. This would be perfect for a recreation room, maybe even a home theater or something you could set up in here. You could have a pool table, ping pong table, great area here at the top floor of the house, and a great space for recreation. All right, so now we are on the 2nd level, which is really the main level as you come in off the steps here from the front deck. Front door right here, and on this level we have 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a really nice bar area, wet bar, and recreation area as you head out to the deck in the back. So great space here. So on this floor, this would be the bedroom I would choose. This is the bedroom at the front of the house. There's this incredible bay window here, amazing views of the beach and the boardwalk right here off this bedroom. So if you're getting this floor, go for this bedroom. So one of the nice things about this level is that you do have a full laundry room here with the utility sink. So I like that you have a door you can close, you can put all your laundry in here, and it's separate from the rest of the living area. Great space here. So at the back of the house here, we have this beautiful wet bar, nice little space. You have a little eating area here, maybe a little game room. Use this space for some recreation. At this level of the house, which again is the second floor, this house is so big I actually miscounted how many bedrooms there are. There's actually 4 bedrooms on this level, 2 bedrooms on the next level, and then 1 more above us. So huge house, lots of bedrooms, lots of bathrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, great space. And then I still have to show you outside and downstairs where we have that garage space as well. So outside here we have this large back deck, steps going down to the pool area. And the nice thing about this house, you actually do have a backyard and you have a great in-ground pool, beautiful space outside, which is awesome. I'll show you the rest in a minute. So we are now downstairs on the basement level of the home, and this space is awesome. One of the things I love about the house is you have basically 4 outdoor parking spaces. In the garage area, you can definitely get 2 cars in here, and then as you come through, this space is great for storage, or if you want to use it for recreation, you can put a gaming table or something in here just to relax as another family room here. It's not finished, but you could utilize the space a little bit here if you wanted to. Around the bend as the steps go upstairs, and again, there is the elevator as well. I hope you enjoyed the tour of 107 South Cambridge Avenue. This home is listed for sale at $3,449,000. Leave a comment and let me know what you like best about this house, and reach out at info@promptagents.com for more information. If you like this house, you'll want to see this one next door. Watch this video next.